Hi, my name is Hardeo Roopan and I am the man in the wild. And in this video, we're going to take a look at my organic garden. More specifically, the black sorrel harvest. Stay tuned. Cabbage and pak choy grow side by side next to my tilapia pond. They are all grown organically. Within the tiles, I usually have compost where I plant pak choy, cabbage, and melanja. Sometimes, instead of melanjan, I would plant peppers. I usually harvest the pak choy after 5 weeks. That leaves the cabbage lots of room to spread their leaves. The competition for sunlight between the cabbage and pak choy encourages the melanjan and pepper to grow larger and faster. Each week I will plant 2 pak choy, 2 cabbage, and a melanjan or pepper, which ensures a steady supply. The shrubs that we see here are of the hibiscus family. They are the black sorrel. I usually plant black sorrel mid-year and harvest November to December. These are a seasonal fruit and are used especially around Christmas time. The fruit of the black sorrel hibiscus are used to make drinks, liqueurs, jams, chutneys, kuchelas, and many products. Some of the fruits I would use fresh from the tree, and the remainders I would put in my dehydrator and have them dried and preserved for the remainders of the following year. I usually plant my corn, pigeon peas, and bananas next to my black sorrel. After a period of about 3 months, I have harvested the pak choy and the cabbage, and the melanjan have started to produce. The black sorrel has grown to heights of about 3 to 4 feet tall, which is about 1 meter, and they are about to blossom. The hot peppers have also started to produce. And the black sorrel have started to produce blossoms. Since the black sorrel is a member of the hibiscus family, it produces a beautiful pink hibiscus blossom. The honeybee is the main pollinator of the hibiscus flower. It digs deep to the root of the flower to get its sweet nectar, and during this process it spreads the pollen all over the stigma, which produces the sorrel fruit. This hibiscus flower belongs to the red sorrel. I usually plant a few on the outskirts of the garden. The red sorrel produces later in the year and for a shorter period of time, usually late December, and the red sorrel has a more acidic flavor. And this hibiscus flower belongs to the okra or ladyfinger plant. It is not common knowledge that the okra belongs to the hibiscus family. The sorrel would open their blooms early in the morning, and by midday they would have closed their petals. The pimentos and hot peppers planted in between the black sorrel has all begun to produce. Some of the cabbages have started to fold. They will be ready in a couple of weeks. Guava is also in season. They make great guava drink and jam.
Nanti si Mama Mat Duskut Mama Duskut Nyadain lo mau Ini agak view Agak view
This particular member of the Pomsite family bears year-round, so there is always flowers and fruit on the tree. The sorrel fruit has started to mature. They will continue to blossom and produce fruit from October to November, into December and even January. This dark red color is what gives them the name black sorrel. A single branch could have matured, young, and even blossoming sorrel. The sorrel is ready for harvesting when the petal peels back and they are very firm. Harvesting the sorrel is quite simple. You simply select the matured fruit and nip them with a pair of clippers. Harvesting by hand ensures only the best fruit is harvested at any point in time. A bucket usually holds approximately 200 fruits. There is approximately 200 sorrel fruit in this bucket. We are now going to prepare them. There are different methods to prepare the sorrel fruit. One of the methods is shown here. Simply cut a ring around the base of the sorrel, pull the seed out from the base, and the sorrel is ready to be used. Extra care must be taken since the seed contains tiny hairs that are very sharp and would itch if it gets onto you. The seeds are collected and placed in trays to dry. These will be the seeds for next year's crop. Look out for the follow-up episode where I'll demonstrate some of the products that can be made from the black sorrel.